Hi there, my name is Sayed. Welcome to the video. Are you ready for 1000x altcoin for 2022? And which crypto coin you have in your wallet? So let's get started with this video and see which coin would you like to buy. So first off, I would recommend that when you are start investing in any coin, do not trust random guy like me on YouTube. Do some your due diligence, read some books, read news articles. If you are investing on some particular company or you are thinking about a coin, go to their website, take a look at it, and then read everything about it. If you have somebody expert around you or maybe on social media, check around that you can ask and basically talk about that what coin you need to do you like to invest on, and learn about investment before you investing, so you know what is investing is, and what is your strategy when you're going into buying or selling something. So you need to understand this fully before you go into cryptocurrency or stock market. I have a video on that. I will put the tile up on that and put this in the description below. So, and also I would recommend start reading some books, and this is my book. I have written about cryptocurrency, the basics of cryptocurrency and blockchain. If you are thinking about that, I would highly recommend this. The link of the book will be in description below. And so let's get to the next slide. So how to research cryptocurrency that you want to invest for 1000x? You need to start. By the way, this mind map is from the book I have written, and I just giving you some example, a sample from the book. Researching cryptocurrency. So you need to check out their cryptocurrency social media. You need to check out their Twitter followers, media posts. So this is just an example that how to do some research. You can check on their official website and see their tokenomics, the total supply, burn rate. That will give you some idea that what's going on. And you can check on their exchange ranking. So many different coins have different ranking in exchange rate, exchanges. So for you can see what is the ranking on Binance, and you can see what is the ranking on different the exchanges are out there. Generally they are pretty much the same, but that will give you some idea that if this coin is going to go up and it is going up or not. And you can see the development updates. So I just cover all of these topics in detail in the book, and you can take a look at it. But by looking at this mind map, it will give you some good idea that what to start from and start researching for your next 1000x coin. So this is a chapter I have, for example, where to research a cryptocurrency, cryptocurrency official website, social media. I just have wrote very small descriptions and short information. I could write very lengthy book, but I just decide to write short book, so it's easier to read and faster to learn. And you can basically go to this chapter directly and then learn about that instead of just going through all other chapters. So that is a good thing about that. You can also see chapter 4 is about what is NFT, and you can see that cryptocurrency and NFT. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video, and if you like the book, please check the book out on the Amazon. It is available on Kindle and paperback as well. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Bye.